What's up, everybody? I'm Jason, this is the Freebird Garage, and we are on part 6 of the Harley Davidson chain conversion for my bike back there. And we are on the final installment of getting this bike put back together. Finally, we got it. Let's get it done. We're doing the inner primary like I talked about. We gotta do the clutch basket here. We gotta move over to the compensator, chain adjusted, and then obviously the outer primary, add some fluid to it. Now in the last video, I went through the whole torque specs of the actual inner primary bolt pattern. There's a particular way to do it, by the book, which is why we are going by that. Starting off with even everything else on here. So this is what I go by for everything. So each of these specs is by the book for this particular 1991 to 92 FXR service manual. So that's what we're gonna do, throw those on, start torquing it down. All right, we're gonna get the clutch basket on with the chain. Usually a lot easier when you have a second hand to help navigate the compensator side, or someone does the basket side. We'll get it on there. There we go. All right, assembly of the compensator. No binding, looks smooth. Let's get the rest of this compensator lined, put back together. There we go. Gotta throw some Loctite on this nut as told by the book as well. We gotta assemble the trans basket now. Gotta put the blocking nut on there. This is reverse threads. Gotta put some Loctite now. Doing the primary chain tension. Gonna throw the nut on there just loosely so we get the right height. And this needs to be, by the book, cold. 3/8 to 5/8 of tension in between the compensator and the clutch basket there. So that's what we're gonna aim for. Easy way I was told you can do, go buy a 5/8 wrench there, and the distance between there should have us set. So let's see, about right there. So lands right at the bottom of it. There, it should go up to here. Looks pretty good. Might tighten it up just a hair. Do that one more time. From here, there. That looks pretty good. All right, that's cold. If you want to run hot after it's all done checking, there's a different measurement, and that is 5/8 to 7/8 hot. So this obviously does change a bit, but easily enough to be also adjusted after I'm done riding with the, of course, inspection cover completely pulled off. So we'll leave it at that. Looks good for now. This nut is 150 to 160. We gotta torque it down to. So we're gonna get this 150 coming up. That's 150. Now we're gonna do 160. All right, 160. This clutch hub nut is 70 to 80. Lock in 71st. There we are. Bump it up to 80. And that's that. Keep assembling this together. Put our new clip in. Give it a little bump. Make sure we hear the clip. There we are. Perfect. All right, moving along. Got a genuine James gasket I went with up here. Thing aligns. Looks real nice. Cool. Stay it on there. Throw the cover on. It's got a nice silicone bead, as you can see, on there. So we don't need to add anything. Just slip this over. 7 to 9 pounds each. Now we're going to 9 pounds. Throw our new gasket on for the cover. C12 blue Loctite. Down as well, 7 to 9. Good to go. Throw the shifter back on now. Throw the pedal on. Oh, Loctite on that one. Shims. Place there. Good to go there. Onto the derby cover. Before we throw the fluid in there, make sure the drain plug has new sealant. We're gonna use some Teflon. We're gonna throw that together. Primary has to be filled with the bike straight up and then just above or just touching the bottom of the basket there with the fluid. It's roughly about 1 quart what we need. And I just use standard primary oil, nothing fancy, works fine. As long as you're changing your fluids, that's all you really need. Throw the rubber gasket on. Alright, tighten these each down to 9 foot-pounds. Alright, the primary is all put back together. It is all finished and complete now. It looks awesome. I can't wait to get this thing on the road, get the final adjustments. Still need to do the chain once it's on the road just to get the final tension that I want to see it at, and as well as the primary chain. I want to see after it heats up, see where it lands. But everything's done to the book and spec. Very excited how the way it came out. That wraps up for me on this one, guys. I would greatly appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button, tap that like, press the notification, leave a comment below, and tell me what you think. For those who have already subscribed, thank you. And as always, stay free. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.